Well, hey everybody, this is Paul. I've been doing a bunch of downsizing recently, and I actually got all of my Southern Railway locomotives in my one tall case, and that consists of 3 SD45s, 3 SD40s, 3 GP50s, a single GP39, and 3 GP38s, and my not to be discounted juiced up GP59. But having them all in one case, it's cool. I used to have a lot more than this at one time, but I wanted to show you real quick what I did with the other case. Anyways, this is my kind of smaller, little more horizontal case, which I've actually got set up with all my V&O equipment, including a SD40-2, a couple of 50-foot box cars, a 60-foot box car, 2 of the covered hoppers. This is a this is a V&O 85-foot and trailers that I both made up everything with decals. Also, a couple of open hoppers. I recently added this very nice 20 Custer's Midland Road, part of the Appalachian lines, as well as 2 of the Athern covered hoppers, an older 40-foot single dome, and then 2 of the made hoppers up with decals. But anyways, having all that stuff in one window it's pretty cool to see it all just right there where you can take a look at it. But anyways, just want to mention it to you. Hope everybody's doing all right. Take care.